Danielle at the Huron Public Library, and I hope you guys are having a great summer and enjoying the summer reading program virtual. I hope that you enjoyed the next video for the do-it-yourself I Spy bottle. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you do too. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is inside your kit. You have a bottle, your key of the contents in the bottle, instructions, a bag of rice, and all of your fun I Spy gadgets. You're also going to need either a pair of scissors or a piece of paper to use as a funnel. You're also going to need a pen to write down all the stuff that you'll be looking for. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to take all of your little fun stuff here and put it in a pile. Try not to let the beans get away. Okay, and you want to spread it out. And what you're going to do from there is take your key and begin by writing down the things that you see. So here I'm going to put down a goldfish or a goldfish in a bowl, however you want to put it, however descriptive you want to be. I'm going to put goldfish. Okay, so there's that. Here is a soccer ball. You could put an orange soccer ball or just soccer ball. Okay, and we have an apple. Okay, and I'm going to do all my buttons separately. So I'm going to do a blue button, a yellow button, a purple button, and a pink button. Okay, so now that you have all your stuff written down, you can go ahead and move on to the next step. We're going to open your bottle. Okay, and the way that I'm going to put my rice in here is I am going to cut a little slit in the corner and just pour it in. You could also, in the instructions it says you could roll up a piece of paper like so and use it as a funnel and pour the rice inside here. I'm going to just cut a slit in the bag. So to do that, I'm going to put it all on one side. Okay, cut a little corner off. Okay, and carefully pour it in. Okay, got all the rice in. Now it's as simple as grabbing all of your trinkets, including the beans, and putting them in there. Got all of our stuff in there. Okay, so we're going to screw the bottle back on. You can tape the bottle if you prefer. I didn't do that, but just remember that it can screw off and it would make a mess. So here's what it looks like then. You have your rice and then all your fun stuff in there. So what we're going to do is we are going to mix that up. So you're going to shake it. You can roll it. It takes a little while, but once you get them all in there, okay, I think that looks pretty good. And now, when you're playing with it, remember it twists, so be careful of that. You can go ahead and look at your key. You could cut it down if you wanted to, the sides. I've seen where you can use a rubber band to attach it on there. That did not come in your kit, but if you have one, I would maybe suggest that. And then you could also keep your key inside of here. If you roll it up tight and shove it in there and then close the lid. Okay, or you can just keep it next to it. But there you go. Now you have your own I Spy bottle with fun little characters inside. All right, I'm Danielle and I'm at the Huron Public Library. and I'm so glad that you joined me in doing this craft. You now have your own do-it-yourself I Spy bottle. If you are a kid, you have all of the crafts already in your craft kit. If you are a teen or a tween, you need to register for the next week's class and pick it up curbside. I hope that you guys are enjoying the crafts and staying healthy.